How to add apps on your home screen on Samsung. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how we can add icons on our home screen in order to get an easier use of those icons. First of all, go to your app page in order to access the icons that you want to drag to your home screen. Now, hold the icon that you want to get to your home screen. Here I'm using Facebook. I hold it for a few seconds and I can see a few options. There I can see the option of add to home. Tap on it and voila, your Facebook is now on home screen. You can hold the app and drag it around in order to place wherever you like. If you want to remove the icon from the home screen, simply tap on the icon again and there you can see the option to remove. And that's it. That is how you add the icons to the home screen as well as remove it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more similar tech content.